Are you ready to enhance your spot gold trading with one of the most powerful tools in technical analysis? In this video, I'll show you how to use the Fractals indicator the right way, spotting high probability trade setups and avoiding false signals. The Fractals indicator is available on popular charting platforms like MT4, MT5, TradingView, and many others, so you can easily integrate it into your trading routine. Let's get started. First, let's quickly recap what fractals are. Fractals are patterns that identify potential reversal points in the market. They appear as arrows above or below candles on your chart. A fractal arrow above a candle signals a potential resistance or price ceiling. A fractal arrow below a candle signals a potential support or price floor. But here's the catch. Fractals alone are not enough to guarantee success. To use them effectively, you need to combine them with other tools and strategies. Let me show you how. When a fractal arrow appears, the first thing you should do is check its location. Ask yourself, is the fractal appearing at a known support or resistance level? Use historical price data to identify these key levels. Is it near a trendline support in an upward trend or at a channel boundary, either the upper resistance or the lower support? Let's look at a real example on the gold chart. On November 14th, 2024, a bifractal arrow appeared right at the lower channel boundary and a previous support level. This setup provided a clear buy signal. The entry point was confirmed once the second candle closed, ensuring the fractal arrow stayed on the chart. A stop loss was placed just below the last candle's low. As you can see, the price rallied all the way to the upper channel resistance before retracing, providing a significant profit opportunity. Before entering the trade, always verify the fractal signal with a confirmation indicator. Here's how. Use the MACD indicator to check the trend. For example, if the MACD shows a bullish crossover or is above the zero line, it confirms upward momentum. Alternatively, use RSI to identify if the market is oversold or overbought. For the November 14th example, MACD aligned with the fractal signal, making it a high probability trade. Fractals also work beautifully with trend lines and channel midpoints. Example 2. On November 26, 2024, another bifractal arrow appeared, this time at the median line of the channel acting as support. The fractal signal was confirmed once the second candle closed, and the MACD showed bullish momentum. This setup again provided a great profit opportunity as the price moved upward from the channel midpoint. Remember, the fractal arrow shows up on the first candle of the pattern, but the signal is not confirmed until the second candle closes and the arrow remains. This is why it's essential to wait for confirmation before entering a trade. To avoid false signals, always check the context of the trend and avoid trading against it. Use confirmation tools like MACD to validate the setup. This approach helps you trade with confidence and reduce risks. Using fractals the right way is about context and confirmation. By aligning fractal signals with support and resistance levels, trend lines, or channel boundaries, and confirming with tools like MACD, and you can dramatically improve your spot gold trading results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more trading tips. Let's trade smarter. Thanks for watching.